used to call me on my
I'm sorry if I seem uninterested, though I'm not listening. No, I'm indifferent. Truly, I ain't got no business here.
So, I forgot to do my introduction, but what is up, you guys? What's up? So today I am going to be making Rice Krispies! Unicorn Rice Krispies today, and it's going to be so much fun, so much fun. And, yep, next time we're going to be making this birthday cake. So I'm going to learn how to make this, but yeah, that's the next video. But I'm going to be posting, trying every Tuesdays and in the weekends, but really Tuesdays and Saturdays or Sunday. So keep in touch like a favorite TV show. So, yep. See, it's dirty, but so as you're waiting for it to, as you're waiting for the Rice Krispie, the marshmallows to, microwave, we're gonna spray this pan with butter. So give me 1 second. And with this butter, any sort of type of butter, you can even use this butter stick. Bye. Use this. And yeah, at least that's sprayed. So thumbs up. Oh, YouTube, this was bad, but we're gonna have to clean this. Add the sprinkles all around. Don't worry about that. Mix it all around. Then add the Rice Krispie from the bowl inside. Lift that out inside the pan like that. Keep doing it. It's okay if you get your hands dirty. If you don't want your hands dirty, then that's not the right treat you should make. But make it. So yep, I'll be back. So as you see, it looks messy, but place it down. Even your hands get sticky. Place it down like that. Spread it out. That's why we put the butter. Some people don't do that, but I do that. So spread it, and we're gonna wait 30 minutes. It should be up, but I didn't have enough marshmallows because the stupid thing wasn't paying attention, as I was paying attention for the video thing about what I was gonna say next, but it didn't work. So that just next video, I'm gonna make it even better. I'm gonna make another one, just regular Rice Krispies for Halloween. So it's coming. Actually, it's not coming up. It passed, but yep, next year. Yep. I gotta even clean that. Wow. So I'm gonna be back in 30 minutes tops. None of that. Okay, so cut it up. 30 minutes has passed. Just sit it in a microwave, fridge, but really not the fridge. I put it in the microwave because I need to make it nice and hard. I cleaned my microwave because my dad comes home and checks that I'm in trouble because he does not like seeing his refrigerator, and I'll have to clean it all up and I'll be grounded. No phone, so no YouTube, so I have to clean it up. So I cleaned it up. But cut it into nice, thick, chunky pieces, but I'm just cutting it in like this. Like nice and thin. Nice and nice. Thin. And last part, thin. And it should look like that. Sort of like that. Let go of my knife. Put the knife in the sink. Let's try it. Let's go to a trial.